Hi there, I'm Lisa Lopez coming to you from angelsofambition.com. I'm a narcissistic abuse recovery coach. I help women heal and go on to thrive after narcissistic abuse. On last week's video, we talked about the cycle of narcissistic abuse, which incurred the love bombing, the devaluation stage, the discard stage, the silent treatment, and then the hoovering you back in stage. Over the next 5 videos, I wanted to break down each of those stages. So on tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the love bombing stage and what it is and why the narcissist does it to us. Okay, so just to let you know, also, I'm a narcissistic abuse survivor. Okay, so I'm 5 years free of narcissistic abuse now, and that's why I'm here helping others come through and go on to live amazing lives. So what is love bombing? Well, love bombing is exactly what it says on the tin. Okay, the narcissist will literally love bomb you. This is the stage where you are the perfect girlfriend. Okay, it's the stage where the narcissist will mold themselves into their values will kind of match your values. They'll mold themselves into being interested in all of the things that you're interested in. So basically your hobbies will become their hobbies, and it will be like they've always been interested in the same stuff as you. It will appear like that's you, and for you, you'll be like, oh my god, I've really met the guy of my dreams. Okay, because it seems like they are basically on the same wavelength as you. They understand what you're interested in, and their values, they show up as if their values meet your values. They'll text you continuously throughout the day, send you little romantic texts, and they'll wine and dine you. They will listen to you and appear to empathize with your story. And again, it will be like, oh my god, this guy really gets where I'm coming from. It will feel like you've actually met your soulmate. And then the narcissist will literally flip the script. Okay, and why the narcissist love bombs us is because it's emotional. It is actually emotional manipulation. Okay, and then they do this to win our attention. And because once they've won, that's my dog, sorry. Once they've won our attention, they're able to basically control us. And that's why it's, emotional manipulation. So basically, they're setting us up. They're putting us up on that pedestal to basically literally tear us back down. Okay, so they're basically, what they're doing, the narcissist is getting us hooked. And a lot of narcissistic survivors will refer to being addicted to the narcissist. And I know, certainly for me, I felt that addiction that I had to withdraw from when I started going no contact. And a lot of survivors will put it on par with being addicted to crack cocaine or heroin. And so once we've gone through this love bombing stage, the narcissist has built this bond with us and made us feel really special and unique. And that's what it's designed to do before they then go into starting to devalue you. So in the love bombing stage, they're literally finding out as much information about us, are building that trust. We open up because we feel this connection to this person, and then they will use all of that information to literally tear us down in the devaluation stage. So that's the love bombing stage. On next week's video, we're going to go talk more about the devaluation stage, go really in depth about that, what it is and why the narcissist does it to us. And so Also, I've got my new narcissistic abuse recovery toolkit coming out very shortly. And as soon as that's ready to download, I'll give you guys a shout. So I'm Lisa Lopez, coming to you from angelsofambition.com. I hope this video has raised your awareness on narcissistic abuse just that little bit more. And I'll catch you guys on next week's video where we talk about devaluation stage in depth. Bye for now.